Well, we just got this going. Picked it up the other day. Started alright, but then I was trying to fix the blade. Turn it off. Yeah, it's going alright. But then I was trying to fix the blade because that one there snapped off. So I took all the casing off to look at all the clutch and everything to see if that was alright. Because I thought to myself, if that's had a stone or something wedged in it or it's hit something, chances are that it might have burnt the clutch out. Depends to know what the person was doing when it hit it. Might have just stalled it instantly or whatever. But it seems alright. But then what happened was I couldn't get it to start. So I had to take it apart, took all the carb off, and I noticed that the air filter was all, sponges were falling apart, it was all wet. I don't know if that's petrol. Bit of petrol in there for some reason. But it's all falling apart, so I thought perhaps it'd suck some of the air filter up the carb or something, but took it off, cleaned it out with a bit of carb spray, put it all back, put a bit of fresh petrol in it, replaced that fuel line because the old one was as stiff as a rock. So I replaced that. Seems to run alright. Looked at all the drive mechanism for the roller. All seems to be working alright apart from that blade snapped off. Haven't decided if I'm going to weld it on or sell it as a spares or repairs. Someone else can fix it. Or do I get a new reel? Haven't decided yet what I'm going to do with that. But it's not a bad little mower. It's got a grass box as well. Can you hear the fair in the background? Don't know if you can hear it. By appointment to Her Majesty the Queen, manufacturers of motor mowers, Charles H. Pugh, Ltd, Birmingham. That's the box that goes with it. Not bad though, is it? Leave it there for the blades, throttle, and the drive. Clutch. Don't know how old this is. Anyone can tell me roughly how old this is. That'll be good. Old Forge Engineering. Ingate Stone. Garden Machinery Specialists. Essex. So it's from Essex here. Never even heard of those though. Anyone has ever heard of those? It might be old. It might better give me an idea when, if they shut down, or when and if. Be interesting. Currently still in the middle of doing the building a conservatory at the minute, so the garden's a mess. I've got bits and bobs everywhere. Pain in the arse at the minute. But still getting by.